In this video, I will simplify one Boolean function using K-map. Simplify the Boolean function f of wxyz is equal to, here min terms are given and it's supposed to be simplified using K-map. Here we can observe that there are four variables, that is wxyz means four variables, that is 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So we must use four variable K-map which consists of 16 cells. So this is the structure of four variable K-map where we have 16 cells. So here the variables are wxyz. So along column we can write this as wx. Let me assume this as yz. So here we should write it as, this supposed to be 0 0, this is 0 1, this here we should write 1 0, here it is 1 1, that is 0 1 2 3. Similarly here also we should write it as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now let me tell you how to write the cell numbers. So here in this cell it is with respect to 0 0 0 0. The cell number is 0. Here this cell number is 1 because 0 0 0 1. 0 0 1 1 means decimal 3. 0 0 1 0 means decimal 2. Similarly here it will be 1 0 1 0 0 means it will be 4. 0 1 0 1 it is 5. Likewise this will become 6. This will become 7. And here after 6 7 the 8 should be written here, because here we can see that 1 0 0 0 will be 8, this will be 9, this will be 10, this will be 11, this will be 12, that is 1 1 0 0 is 12, 1 1 0 1 is 13, we have this is 14th cell, this is 15th cell. So after writing the structure of four variable K-map, we have to consider these min terms. So these are the, in these cell numbers we have to write logic 1, that is in cell number 0 we should write, in cell number 0 we should write 1, in cell number 1 it is 1, in cell number 2 it is 1, 4 5 this is 4, this is 5, 6 8 6, we have 8, 9 12, this is 9, this is 12, 13 14, this is 13, this is 14. In all remaining cells we should enter it as 0. So after entering the values in K-map, we need to do the grouping of ones. The grouping of ones can be done in different way. That is, we can do it as a pair. The pair can reduce one variable. We can do as a quad. Quad means 4 ones can be grouped. It will reduce 2 variables. Or we can group 8 ones which can reduce 3 variables. So here we can observe that these 4 ones and these 4 ones are adjacent to each other. We can do an octet. Let me do the octet here. That is, these all ones are selected together like this. After this we have to write the product term. Here it covers these two columns. In these two columns, first this is 0 0, here we have 0 1. So 0 is common. The first number is with respect to y variable, second is with respect to z variable. So here this is common 0. So 0 is with respect to y. Since it is 0, we should write it as y bar. It is y bar. So here it covers all 4 rows. So its value will be 1. So as I said here, octet will reduce 3 variables. So we have total 4 variables. We got it as only one variable, that is y bar. Now in this K-map, here we can observe 3 more ones. So again we have to do the groupings. So here we cannot do the group of 3 ones. The grouping will be done always as a pair or quad or octet. Now these 2 1 and these 2 1 together we can do it as a quad, since these two are adjacent to each other. Let me consider it as a quad. So these 2 1 and these 2 1 together I can make it as a quad. Let me write the value. So since it covers this column and this column, So in these two columns, the common value is 0. So 0 is with respect to z. So we should write it as z bar. So here it covers these two rows. In these two rows, 0 is common. 0 is with respect to w. It is w bar. Now here we can observe, here there is one more one. It should be covered. It for one. Now this one, this one, this one and this one together we can make it as a quad. Let me do the quad. This is one, these two and these two together I can make a quad. The value of this will be, so here it covers first column and last column. The common value is 0. 0 is with respect to z bar. This is z bar and it covers these two row. The common value is x, that is x z bar. Therefore now I can write the simplified expression as f is equal to, we have y bar plus this is x z bar plus this is w bar z bar, w bar z bar. So this is the simplified expression for the given function. This is known as SOP, that is sum of product terms.